Space. It is a dark, cold, and infinite vacuum. Only a handful of satellites, telescopes, and people have explored the vastness of space. To many, space is like a blank canvas. It lacks any creativity or sustenance. At only 2.7 degrees Kelvin and in complete silence, you may be thinking, how is it so interesting? Astronomy is a subject that does not receive enough praise in the STEM field. Astronomy is often left out of the conversation. The image that I believe best encapsulates the subject of astronomy is the image of the pillars of creation. Let's take a look. These are the pillars of creation, an image taken by the Space Telescope Hubble. This structure is inside the Eagle Nebula, which is located 7,000 light-years away from Earth. The pillars are 4 to 5 light-years in size, which is pretty small in comparison to the Eagle Nebula, which is 70 light-years in length. The pillars of creation is a region of active star formation, which is where new stars are born from the remnants of old ones. I envision the pillars like a hospital, where hundreds of baby stars are born. Hubble's image of the structure is taken in primarily visible light. On the light, or electromagnetic radiation spectrum, visible light is the size wavelength of light that we can see with our own eyes. A new photo of the pillars taken by the James Webb Space Telescope was taken in infrared light, which is slightly under the wavelength of light that we can see. So, we can view infrared light as heat, and the new image shows hundreds of more stars that Hubble previously could not see. In this picture, we can see all of the elements within the structure, which are the remnants of old stars. The blue represents oxygen, the red is sulfur, and green is nitrogen and hydrogen. In addition to these elements which make up these stars, there are clouds of other cosmic gases and dust within the nebula. The longer wavelengths of infrared light can pass through the dust and clouds of the elements, which allows Hubble to see the wispy tails of the stars inside the pillars, which cannot be seen with visible light. In addition to these elements which make up these stars, there are clouds of other cosmic gases and dust within the nebula. The young stars produce ultraviolet light, which erodes the pillars to expose the gases beneath. This process of cosmic erosion is called photoevaporation, and is the explanation for the changes that occur within the pillars of creation when we look at them every few years. The subject of astronomy allows us to analyze the star structures right above our heads. The pillars give old stars a new opportunity of life on a remarkable scale. It is as if the previously blank canvas of space has been populated with thousands of young stars with amazing potential, such as being a new home for extraterrestrial life or even humans. If we do not continue to support our planet's astronomers, we would never be able to admire the spheres of gas that sit right above our heads. Thank you.